Alright guys, let's get straight into it. So I'm going to start off with foundation. I'm using a thin layer of MAC Studio Fix fluid, and I'm also going to be using this Arden Rx Radiance Oil, but you don't have to use this oil. Any sort of face oil that works for you would work, even jojoba or argan oil. It doesn't have to be this expensive. This is just one I had. I'm applying a really thin layer of foundation, and I'm using a beauty blender to apply it. It's important that you use a beauty blender because you want to bounce the product against your skin. You don't want to move it around, and especially with dry skin, sometimes brushes can just kind of exfoliate your skin, and you do not want that if you have dry skin. And then I'm going to take a couple drops of the Radiance Oil, apply it to the beauty blender, and then I'm going to apply it all over my face. And again, the bouncing is really important because you don't want to move around the foundation that you just applied. You just want to add the oil on top of it. After that, I'm applying another layer of foundation, this time a little bit more coverage. So, you want to use a little bit more product, but still not so much where it becomes cakey. I'm going for a natural glowy look, but I still want my imperfections kind of covered while still having my skin peek through. That's a lot, I know. And that's my son's head on the side, of course. And then I'm going to conceal. I'm using the WetnWild Photofocus concealer in medium tawny, and I'm just blending that with the beauty blender. And then I'm bringing that product down to just really brighten my whole under eye area. And then I'm going to set that with NYX HD Powder in Banana. And I'm only setting under my eyes. I'm really not doing the rest of my face because I just want to keep everything really dewy. And then I'm taking this WetnWild highlighter. I believe it's called Flower Crown or something like that. I'm going to put it in the description as always. And I'm applying it to the high points of my cheeks and bringing it just a little bit on my temples. And then I'm going to take this Covergirl blush in Iced Cappuccino and apply it to the center of my cheeks with this really fluffy Real Techniques blush brush. And I'm going to warm up my face with this Mercier bronzer. And then I'm taking this Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream, and I'm applying a little tiny bit of it on top of my highlighter with the Beauty Blender, and just whatever is left on the Beauty Blender, I'm going to apply it to the rest of my face. It's actually a trick I learned from the Makeup by Mario Masterclass. This is what he does to give his clients, like celebrities and stuff, that really beautiful glow. So that's what I did. I feel like Vaseline might work too because it has the same consistency, but I haven't tried it. I just... they're very similar, but I know Vaseline can clog your pores, so you might want to use that sparingly. And then I'm going to just do my brows. I'm using this Velour pencil in like a dark brown color. I've been really trying to keep my brows more natural. Like I get tempted to do a really exaggerated and defined brow, but I feel like the natural kind of look just looks better on my face and it suits my features more because I do have really harsh features. What do you guys think? Natural brows on me or really fierce like Instagram brows? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And then I'm just going to set that with the brow gel. And then I'm curling my lashes. A lot of you guys always ask what this curler is. This is just a jouet curler I've had for a really long time. But yeah, just whatever curler. And then applying a couple coats of mascara. L'Oreal Voluminous is my go-to recently. And then for lips, I'm using this Laura Mercier Velour Matte Lipstick in Dominate. I've been loving these lipsticks recently. And I really like a bright color if you're going to do a really simple face, especially like no eyeshadow. It makes you look more polished without really the effort because this is like a 10-minute look, and it's good. And that's pretty much the whole look. I just sprayed some fixing spray. This is the Makeup Revolution Illuminating Spray to give myself some glow. I had a face mask on earlier and some of it is still left under my chin. Ignore that. I need to like look at myself more carefully in the mirror. But anyway, yeah, that's it. So easy. And I absolutely have been loving this. Is my go-to look, especially for the winter. My skin has been so dry, but this has really helped my skin look really glowy all day long and just not dry and cakey looking. So I hope you guys try this out. I hope it helps you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!